Here I am using half of the A4 size sheet. Means I folded A4 size sheet into two equal parts. In one part I am doing this drawing. First we have to draw two lines. Draw slanting line, come down and go up and make one more slanting line. It's a reverse of W. Then draw one more slanting line, join it. Here also you have to draw one slanting line. Draw straight line, then draw one more straight line. This is little longer than first one. Draw one more line. First and third should be same length. This one is little longer. Fourth line equal to second line. Then draw fifth line is equal to third and first line. These three are in same length. Second and fourth line should be little longer. Then join all together. Draw window. Here it is door. One more window. Then tree. Start writing here branches. Then take one more tree, make a curve, small curve and zigzag line. Curve, then join zigzag line. This is one more type of pattern of tree. Draw here small lines. Here we are drawing haystack, means dry grass this stored in a outside. From here you draw small curve. This is bushes. Take a line from here, take it in a curve way. Then take a small curve. Again one more curve. You end it here. Take one more, we're giving a small gap. Little straight line. Then draw one more small line. Small straight line, then slanting line. Here also same. One side it is river and one more side is road. Now you have to erase the lines what you draw in the first two lines, right? In that we have to erase here. Here also we have to erase this one. Erase the line inside the haystack, then inside the tree. No need to erase below the bushes. One small line is there, right? No need to erase that line. This is a river. Put a small lines. Water flow. Dry grass. Put a small lines. Here also small lines in the leaf. Here we giving a one small bowl. Write a big and small curve. This is a cloud and sun rays. Then this is your final drawing look. Here is your reference for coloring.